I'm Ali Kravitz. Some of you know me as the RockStarBarGirl, and some of you know me as the Bronx Witch, and I need your help. Most of you know by now that I have a deep passion for working with herbs and natural ingredients as a part of my spiritual practice. I love making handmade tea blends, ritual bath salts, and custom candles for myself in my everyday practice. And recently I decided to start offering the things that I make to the world at large. To help promote those items and in order to share more information about the herbs and crystals and natural ingredients that I work with, I created a new YouTube channel and Instagram platform called Bronx Witch, and I also opened an Etsy shop called the Bronx Witch Bodega. Both platforms and the shop are doing really well, so I want to thank all of you for your support, everyone who has subscribed or followed, liked anything that I've done, or have checked out my items on Etsy. I truly, truly appreciate it. Because of your support, even though my shop is brand new, I already got the attention of Raw. Raw is an artist community platform that gives entertainers, artists, and creators, basically anyone who makes something from scratch with their own hands, the opportunity to showcase what it is that they are working on to a group of people that would be interested. Raw throws these showcases all over the country, and they have asked me to participate in the next showcase happening in New York. It's the Raw Premiere Showcase happening in Queens at the Melrose Ballroom on January 29th at 7 p.m. I am incredibly honored that they would invite me to participate in this showcase. I'm super, super excited and a little bit nervous as this will be my first public showing, the first time I've ever participated in any type of craft fair or arts showcase, and I have a lot to do to get ready. In addition to all the things I need to do in order to prepare, I also am required to sell 20 tickets to the event in order to participate. I am incredibly honored to have been invited to participate in this showcase. I will be alongside 50 or 60 other artists that are established and that create amazing things, and I'm just overwhelmed by the idea that they would ask me to participate. I'm really excited to show you guys the things that I make, to talk to you about the herbs and the ingredients that I use to make them. So this is going to be a great opportunity to meet me if that's something that you're interested in, but also to sample and perhaps purchase some of the products that I am making. All of the items that I make are made with all natural ingredients, most of them being herbs, and I make them right here in the Bronx, New York, at my home. And every single item is cleansed and blessed using traditional Wiccan practices. So if having an item that is not only handmade and made from natural ingredients is important to you, but you also are looking for items to use in your spiritual practices that are coming from a spiritually blessed and charged place, then the things that I make hopefully are exactly what you are looking for. And all of them will be on display at my table. You'll be able to sample everything, and you'll also be able to place custom orders with me if there's something in particular that you would like me to make for you. And I will also be giving free tarot readings at my table if getting a reading is something that you would like to do as well. So I'm really excited about the setup that I'm going to have and all of the products and services that I'm going to be offering. And I would love for each of you to come and meet me and check out the things that I am going to be offering at my table, but also to get a chance to see the amazing things that are being offered by the other artists who will be there as well. I would love to see each of you and show you what I'm working on, but it's also going to just be a super, super fun event. These showcases are incredible. Like I said, there are somewhere between 50 and 60 different artists that come to show off their work, but most of them are not craft vendors like myself. So there will be everything from fashion designers putting on runway shows and showing you their latest collection, to musicians who will be singing and playing instruments, to dance groups that will be putting on performances, painters who will not only be showing their pieces but actually painting during the event and taking custom orders. So it's just a super cool environment with a ton of really talented people coming together, showing off all of the super cool stuff that they're working on. And I just know you will have so much fun if you are in the New York City area and you are able to attend. So here's how you can help me with my first artist showcase. To participate in this showcase, I need to sell 20 tickets to this event. Tickets are $25 and they're available right now using the link that I've provided in the description box below, or using the link on any of my Instagram or Facebook platforms. A ticket to the Raw Premiere Showcase would also make a great gift for a friend. So it's the holiday season. If you're trying to come up with a unique and interesting idea of something that you can gift a friend, definitely consider purchasing a ticket to this event for anyone who will be in the New York City area. If you are not going to be in the New York City area on January 29th, I would still so very much appreciate your support. Please consider buying a ticket anyway. This will help me to reach my goal of 20 tickets so that I can participate, and I would appreciate that so much. And so if you aren't able to purchase a ticket, you can still help support me by giving me a donation to help me reach my 20 ticket threshold. There's information down in the description box below on how you can make a donation, or if you're watching this video on Facebook or Instagram, just click on the link in my bio and you will be taken to a page where you can make a Cash App donation. So I have until January 22nd, 2020 to reach my 20 ticket threshold, and I need all of your help. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm happy to answer them. Just leave them for me in the comment section down below. And for those of you who are able to make it to the Raw Premiere Showcase at the Melrose Ballroom on January 29th at 7 p.m., I am really looking forward to meeting you, and I just can't wait. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I just want to thank you in advance for all of your support. And I will see all of you in my next video.